Hello everyone, welcome back to Mace TV, and for today's video we're gonna be showing you how we make our pancakes. In a bowl, add eggs and sugar, mix until the sugar is dissolved. Then let's add the milk and the vanilla extract. And mix again. Now, let's add the flour and baking powder. Mix everything together hanggang maging smooth po ang pancake mixture. Ready na po ang ating pancake mixture. Pwede na po natin lutuin ng mga pancakes. Pag marami na pong bubbles sa taas ng pancakes, pwede na po natin i-flip yung pancake. And wait po natin maluto yung kabilang side. Let's cook the second batch. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang syrup. Yummy! And don't forget the butter! I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. See you again! Bye!